And here's the last part here. So what we did just now was, right, we put the meat inside, we added some salt, some pepper, stir it and put the cover, and it was there for about 4.5 minutes long, so that it's almost cooked. And now this is the moment. We open the lid. Ha. Ooh. Nice looking beef here. This tells you, please eat me. Oh, not yet. It's all fine. This is where we re-add the ingredients we cooked just now. Here's come the veggie. Children, people, adults, eat your veggies. Now, okay, all in. FIFA 13, all in. It's good to use 2 spatulas so that you can fry it, right? You want to mix it homogeneously, right? To get the even taste of the meat and the vegetables here, right? Now, someone asked me whether I should add any oil at this place here. Of course you can, but too greasy that it will just distort the taste, right? And it's not so healthy as well. Now you can look at the surface here. If it looks a little bit dry, right, then you might want to add some oil, which is what I plan to do right now. Just a little bit, right, as a lubricant here. So again, I'll add, and make sure that you add surrounding it, okay? Make it like a ring, so that most of the parts of this food get some oil here. It brings up the taste. So in this case, your oil and the water becomes a little bit of solvent, if you might call it, right? As
an
all
emulsion?
Huh? What's the word?
Oh, it's not an emulsion though.
Oh.
No.
Okay. Yeah. And the way you hold the spatula tells you how skillful you are as a chef. So apparently, you can judge my skills. Okay. Now, we also have another ingredient that we have prepared beforehand. That is the asparagus. Okay, I'm going to come in here. The asparagus was pre-cooked in the microwave so that it won't be too chunky. Okay, but we shouldn't add in too early because we want it to be not too soft. And of course the broccoli, very healthy broccoli. Add it in, right? We have one last ingredient that I'm not going to tell you now. But you know what, as you're watching it, think about it. What is missing here still? What is missing? And I'm not talking about salt and sugar, which I'm going to add very soon. Something green in color. Green, long, very fragrant, very healthy. What might that be? Okay, so stirring, I may get ready some of the sugar. Here is my sugar. If you add your sugar too early, right, it's going to be,
Caramelized.
yeah, caramelized and maybe burnt. So that's a bit enough here. Make sure you mix that. Oh, if not, you have sweet carrot, sweet what? Not Sweet Melissa. Sweet Melissa is a restaurant. It's a very good local restaurant that sells vegetarian food. Okay. Stir. Okay. And I will add some ready-made pepper. So
Remove this part.
remove the top.
No, just that's.
Okay, just the lid. Okay, remove the lid. And then we'll grind it. Grind it. Okay? Yeah. This is much easier than the mortar and pestle, you know that? Because, yeah. Oh, just rotating. Okay, almost there. Put the cap back. Again, the sound is a telltale sign how ready your food is. Okay. Right. So, when I stop recording, I will take a bite. I will taste my food and see whether it is ready. But of course, use the new utensils because you need to serve guests, right? It's a very special dinner. Now, before we end here, I just want to show you, we're going to add some spring onion. So that's the ingredient. Spring onion looks like that, okay? It's very fragrant here, okay? So we can try a bit now, but I got lots more later that I'll say bye-bye to you afterwards. So, well, here, I will just put the lid on. And I've got one message for you from this scientific experiment here. If firemen can cook, so can you. Bye bye.